OpenAI publishes Teen Safety Blueprint to guide age-appropriate AI for minors. OpenAI released its Teen Safety Blueprint, a practical playbook for building and evaluating AI products used by 13 to 17-year-olds. The blueprint calls for age-appropriate UX, layered safeguards, crisis escalation pathways, transparent data handling, and continuous measurement of outcomes, and is framed as a starting point for policymakers and schools considering generative tools in education. A companion PDF highlights operational signals, such as reporting more than 75,000 cyber tips to NCMEC in the first half of 2025, used to steer safety investments. The move lands amid US-EU debates on youth protections and may shape procurement checklists, e.g., requiring external red teaming, abuse reporting, and parental controls. OpenAI also previewed related work on age prediction and teen controls, positioning these steps as part of an ongoing safety roadmap. For districts and edtech vendors, the document provides auditable criteria, what to log, how to gate features by age, and when to refer to professionals, that could standardize expectations across products. OpenAI released its Teen Safety Blueprint, a practical playbook for building and auditing AI used by 13 to 17-year-olds. The document lays out age-appropriate UX, layered safeguards from content filtering to crisis escalation pathways, and continuous evaluation. It's framed as a starting point for policymakers and schools considering generative tools in classrooms, and includes operational guidance, what to log, how to gate features by age, when to hand off to professionals. A companion PDF cites more than 75,000 cyber tips sent to NCMEC in the first half of 2025, a signal OpenAI says helps steer safety priorities. The announcement lands as US and EU regulators consider stricter youth protections. Supporters say the blueprint gives vendors concrete, auditable requirements, while critics still want independent red teaming and external audits baked in. Either way, procurement checklists for districts and edtech vendors may quickly adopt these criteria. For families, the near-term impact is clearer disclosures, more visible teen mode controls, and safer defaults in mainstream AI assistants. OpenAI released the Teen Safety Blueprint, a practical playbook for building and auditing AI used by 13 to 17-year-olds. The blueprint outlines age-appropriate UX, layered safeguards, content filtering, crisis escalation pathways, transparency about data, and continuous measurement. It's framed as a starting point for policymakers and schools considering generative tools in classrooms, and includes operational guidance, what to log, how to gate features by age, and when to hand off to professionals. OpenAI's companion PDF emphasizes defaulting to a safe U18 experience when age is uncertain, and calls for pre-deployment testing and ongoing enforcement. The announcement lands amid US-EU debates on youth protections. Supporters see auditable criteria that vendors can adopt, while critics still seek independent red